Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily forget them from your Android phone. To do this, we have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now as you can see, we have in our power devices Amazon over-ear. We have to go into the settings of our device by clicking this button over here. Now we have to click Unpair, that is located on the bottom right corner. Now to confirm, we have to click this red Unpair over here. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.